open up.
Hi, in today's video we're gonna do something different. And for that we need to open this box. Are you guys ready to see what's inside? Another box.
Vamos a cortar.
Cierras el
Laptop. Se presta.
quitas el terminal.
Perfecto. Y abrimos.
Now it's time to see the good stuff. But first, a little bit more of cardboard. So here we have some instructions, but so let's see what else we can find. Oh, we have the power cord, but still in a plastic bag, so let me take it out. That's better. So it seems pretty good quality and it seems good. So now we have the most important thing about this box, which is this. Still in a plastic bag, but we're gonna take a look of it and see how it looks from the outside. But I'm gonna put it right here, and we're gonna keep open the box, which will have more cardboard. So here we have another plastic bag that seems to have something important inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to open this. Yeah, let me figure it out. Yeah, it opened pretty easily actually. Oh, they are like instructions. So finally here we have the laptop, which is look pretty thin compared to other gaming computers. Yeah, it looks pretty thin. So let me go ahead and try to open this. Yeah. Oh my god, it looks pretty sick inside. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to focus this on what are the descriptions here, but I'm gonna post that on the description below. If you want to get one of this, I will have the information down below with all the configuration and everything that this laptop has. So the keyboard looks pretty good with the red like background of it. And as I was saying, these is pretty thin, and for the games and everything, that's pretty good because other computers are pretty big compared to this one. The screen looks pretty good size, and for the weight, the laptop is pretty light. Like I can hold it on with one hand and everything. Yeah, so looks pretty good. So let me go ahead and turn this on and see. Well, like the keyboard like light up and looks pretty sick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start all the configuration and download the programs that I use. So if you have any doubts about this laptop, I will have all the information down below, and also you can go ahead and send me a message or a comment asking me whatever you want to know. So we'll see you in the next video.